Carburetor from Chaparral Motorsports here with Kevin from Lectron. Now, this is a very interesting product. I've seen it a lot lately on the SoCal Dual Sport forums, and I just recently learned about it, but it's been around in the marketplace for quite a few years now. This is Kevin. He is the inventor of this product, so he's going to walk us through exactly what it is, what it does, and why you need one on your motorcycle.
Well, first of all, what makes it unique is it's a totally jetless carburetor, no jets at all. It works off a single meter rod. Okay. Unlike a conventional carburetor, it's a round rod or it's flat on one side, and it creates a low pressure signal. So when you change elevation, as the air density changes, it's lighter air, less fuel, and so it self-adjusts. You don't need jets. There's a small little circuit in it for fine tuning on the top, and everything's done on the outside of the carburetor. You never have to take it off the bike, ever.
Dude, that's crazy. So let me grab this one over here. This is your dirt bike carburetor. Do you still call it a carburetor? Even though it's electronically modulated, it's not really fuel injected?
Yes, we do. So right now we have the smoothest bore out of any carburetor. It's a perfect bore, very small slot in there, so there's no resistance. Okay. So our carburetor, actually, you could size that down because it has so much flow in it compared to if you have a 36 millimeter compared to a 36 or 38 millimeter another carburetor. The meter rod does everything inside it, and then also is a fine-tune adjustment at the top, the screw right here, and if you want to do some fine-tuning for wide open, you just turn that screw in or out, and that basically, when the slide passes that little brass tube, that power jet comes on and enhances the fuel on the top. Another thing a lot of people forget about is, carburetors sit around for a long time. They sit with fuel in them, and your pilot jet will get plugged and stuff like that. Can't ever happen. There's no jets in there to plug.
That's so crazy. We have carburetor technology with no jets. It's blowing my mind right now. And you have the clear flow bowl down there. Is that for the demonstration or is that production?
That's OEM for us, yes. So it's actually a nylon bowl. We actually have military operations, and you can't break that. And so, yeah, it's great. You can see the fuel, and that's a great analyzation. People say, hey, you got fuel in the bike? Yep, I do.
That's fantastic. This is your dirt bike two-stroke carburetor, okay?
Four-stroke carburetor also. A four-stroke carburetor for our carburetor four-stroke bikes. And then we also have the new Harley Davidson carburetor that we just came out with a few months back. So on the Harley carburetor, it's really the same carburetor, but it's enhanced for the Harley Davidson. We put a billet float bowl on this just for more volume and a little bit of a look. Even though people love the plastic of the nylon bowl, this is a little bit more industrial. The bolt-on Harley kit is just the alternative to the conventional carburetors that are out nowadays. Fuel mileage, Harley Davidson, dirt bikes, that's a huge thing. We didn't expect it. We're getting all this feedback from these people saying, my fuel mileage is great, my fuel mileage is great. It's because of atomization.
Now, quick question for you. Is there a limitation to what motorcycles these can go on? As far as the two-stroke and four-stroke ones for dirt bikes, can they fit anything from 85 cc's up, or is it really just for the 250, 450s? Like, how does that work?
That's a great question. We make stuff for the 65 cc's, the 85 cc's. We have carburetors as small as 26 millimeter, and then go up to 58 millimeter. And we usually go in every 2 millimeter sizes.
So is there any brand of motorcycle out there, KTM and Honda, Suzuki, Kawasaki, that your carbs don't work on?
No, I can't think of anything. We do stuff for karts and speedway and snowmobiles and...
Phenomenal. So if you're tired of the carbureted issues that we typically have and you want something that's going to give you optimum fuel mileage and optimum performance, the Lectron Carb is something you should probably take a look at if you're having jetting issues on your current carburetor. I'm Carburetor from Chaparral Motorsports. This is Kevin from Lectron. We're at the Tucker Show 2019. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, take care and ride safe.